Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic factors affecting the rate of transpiration from the chapter transport of food and minerals in plants. So here the factors affecting the rate of transpiration. So we are going to check how to affect the factors and what is name of the factors affecting the transpiration rate. So first of all, you want to know what is mean by transpiration. I hope all of you know what is mean by transpiration. Transpiration means the loss of water from the aerial part of plants in the form of vapor is called transpiration. Let's check what is the factors. The factors, first one sunlight, second one temperature, third one humidity, and the fourth one air movement. Let's see how to affect the sunlight. That control means rate of temperature means control and compress the rate of transpiration. The first one, sunlight in daytime. Okay, daylight, the stomata of the leaves are open. I hope all of you know this one. Stomata open only in the daytime only. So this allows the water vapor in the leaves to diffuse out into the atmosphere. At night, when the stomata close, the transpiration is greatly reduced. So while the opening, what happened? The stomach, the water become entered inside the plant. So during the night time, what happened? The stomata closed. As a result, the water entering is less reduced. Okay, so that's the first factor, sunlight. So in the that time, in the presence of sunlight, it's only possible to the water entered inside the stomata. Night time, just opposite. Second one, temperature. Okay, temperature. So increase in the temperature, what happen? Increase the capacity of air for more water vapors and thus the rate of transpiration increases. So similarly, the increase in the temperature, the rate of transpiration increases, and just to opposite, the temperature become normal and below, what happen? The transpiration rate become slow down. And the third point, humidity. Let's see how to affect the humidity in the transpiration rate. A humid air contains a great deal of water vapors. Humidity means that contain the water vapor. Okay, it can accept very little of water vapors from the plants, and so transpiration slows down. So the atmosphere having already the water content, so there is a very less possibility to the transpiration. Okay, so in the case of dry air, what happen? The transpiration rate become increase. That means the atmosphere having humid, that means contain water vapor, the rate of transpiration become decrease, slow down. And in the case of hot, that means dry air, what happen? The transpiration rate become increase. And the fourth point, air movements. Air movements. When the air is still, the region round a transparent leaf will become the saturated with water vapors, so that no more water vapor can escape. No more water vapor can escape from the leaf. In these conditions, transpiration would slow down. Transpiration becomes slow down. Okay. And the next one, what is mean by photometer? Next one, photometer. So it is an apparatus which is used to measure the rate of water loss from a shoot under the natural or artificial condition. So it is one type of the apparatus. Okay, it is used in the biology lab. So it is only help to us in the measure the rate of water loss from the shoot under natural or the artificial condition. That is a photometer. And next one, we want to know the significance of transpiration. What is the significance of transpiration? So here is mentioned three different significance. The first one, cooling effect. Second one, conduction of minerals. Third one, ascent of sap. Generally, the cooling effect, that means the transpiration. Once done the transpiration, what happens, that plant leaf become or plant body become the feel cool. So for maintain the temperature, this transpiration are very useful for the plants, mainly the maintain the temperature. So as a releasing the water vapor, as a result get the plant cool. That's a cooling effect. Second one, conduction of minerals. I hope all of you know this one. So the once the water is evaporated out by the process of transpiration, the plants want to maintain their body with the help of water. So the plant roots help to transferring. That means sending the water from the higher concentration to lower concentration. Not only the water that mixed with the minerals also. These minerals help for the plants for their proper growth. Okay, so ascent of sap. This point I have already explained to you. Ascent of sap. So ascent of sap means it is a setup of transpiration pull which helps in the upward movement of the water from roots to the top of the plant. So here the ascent of sap means that's the water transferring the lower means root system to the shoot system for their proper maintenance, for getting the sufficient quantity of water for their surviving. Okay, so transpiration has some disadvantages also. Disadvantages, so a lot of energy is wasted in absorbing and the lifting of extra water which is lost through the transpiration. So transpiration is a mainly disadvantage, means it's lost huge amount of energy for the transferring and lifting of the water. According to this process, what happened, the plant lost the great energy. Okay, so there are few disadvantages also. So I hope all of you understood today topic or today topic. That means the first one, factors affecting the rate of transpiration. We have already discussed that 4 points. First one, sunlight, temperature, humidity and air movements. And next one, photometer. What is the photometer? What is the importance of photometer? And the next one, we have learned the significance of transpiration. There are three type of significance given. The first one, cooling effect. Second one, conduction of minerals. And third one, ascent of sap. And one point is also given here, and disadvantage of transpiration. That means the lost the energy. Okay, so how to lose while transferring the water and the minerals and lifting these materials from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, the plant lose the huge amount of energy. Okay, this is the main disadvantage of plant by the transpiration. So I hope all of you understood today point. So I am going to conclude this topic. Thank you.